lang may kalitin. Pipicture na ba yun?
Yan. Tignan mo sila, Faye. Tignan mo sila. Sarap naman si Daddy. Yan. One looking here. Waki tayo, guys. Waki. 1, 2, waki. Alright, join mo natin siblings mo.
Patay yung siblings. Oh, yung siblings.
Yung asawa niya. Yung asawa niya. Later na.
Si Ivo, mama.
Hindi, si Iba, ano makakasama? Hindi nakabihis. Lika na, Charles.
Oo nga, sama ko yan.
Doon sasama na. Ay. Ano ba yan? Mamaya na si Ibo. Mamaya na si Ibo.
Okay lang yan.
Wala. Mamaya.
Si Sarah.
Mamaya pa sila.
Ay, mamaya ka pa, mamaya. Takpan na lang.
She was mine. Hi.
Look.
Cheese.
Smile. One more. Group hug tayo, group hug. Waki tayo, guys. Waki. Alright. Sige, silang apat muna. Ay, apat muna.
Oo, tanggalin mo muna si
Ayos
ano.
ka muna.
Oo, sit down.
Ivo. Papa, bilis. Again, Papa.
Dali.
Okay, apat muna, guys. Yan. Okay, good. Move lang tayo, Daddy. Konti dito.
Dito.
Okay, good. Thank you so much. Eyes here. 3, 2, smile. Sir, pawal sa kanan ng 3, 2, smile. One more. 3, 2, smile. Head closer tayo, guys. Head closer. Waki tayo. Waki.
Ivo.
Waki. Mama. Ivo. No. Papa. Wait, sorry po.
Waki, guys. Waki. 1, 2, waki. Okay. Sige, may iwan muna si ano, mami.
Okay po.
Harap ka kay mami. Konti.
Ay, yung apo ko hindi. Mamaya na. Oo.
Smile. One more. 3, 2, smile. O, tinginan. Nice.
Ganda yan.
Alright. Sige, kiss mo nga, kiss si mami. One waki, looking here. Waki. Alright. Daddy.
Daddy. Papa.
Saan ako? Sa kanan ako.
Yes, daddy. Okay. Eyes here. 3, 2, smile. One more. Waki, waki. Alright. Daddy, kiss mo na sa temple niya. Alright. Sige, yung kapatid na lang po.
Saan?
Tsaka si Shaira. Pwede na po. Sama na po. Sila Shaira tsaka si Waki. Kami muna. Okay.
Head closer, head closer. One waki, one waki. May kids, di ba?
Po. Apo.
Halik.
Sama natin.
Wala, dito kasali.
Okay, eyes here. Tingin dito. 3, 2. Smile. One group hug tayo, group hug.
May pag, baby.
Waki guys, waki.
Waki.
Okay, thank you po. Si groom.
Oh, groom
side
na.
naman po.
Thank you so much.
Group hug tayo guys, group hug. Group hug guys, group hug. 3, 2, smile. One waki, waki. Tignan niyo si Sir Mario kung gaano ka pogi today. Tignan niyo si Sir, tignan niyo po. Si Sir. Alright, sige. Dalawa muna kayo. Dalawa muna kayo. Sir, dito ako muna. Sideways na lang. Move ka konti, Sir Mario. Yan, okay, good. Eyes here. 3, 2, smile. One more. Alright, tinginan. Look at each other. Alright, kiss mo naman sa cheeks, si ma'am. Alright, group hug. Alright, sir, dalawa kayo. Okay, eyes here. 3, 2, smile. One more. Closer. Waki po, waki.
Oh, hug lang, hug, hug, hug. Hug. Yan.
Alright. Sige, si ano po, tapos kayong apat. Si Sir kasama. Three, two, smiles. One more. Oh, group hug tayo guys, group hug. One more. Oh, waki po, waki. Alright, join yung kids sa front. Okay na, sir. Okay na. Yung dalawa na lang kayo ng brother mo. Kasi mamaya sa ceremony na. Last na to.
Dito sa yung maliit sa harap. Yan. Oh, dito, dito. Yan. Yan. Look na ka. Sa camera tumingin ha.
Okay, I see po. 3, 2, smile. One more. 3, 2, smile. Once again.
Doon tumingin tan.
Alright, one waki guys, waki.
Waki!
Group hug tayo, group hug. Group hug. 1, 2, group hug. Okay po, thank you. Dalawa na lang kayo. Okay na po. Dalawa na lang kayo ng brother. Tapos mamaya meron na after ceremony. I see her. 1, 2, smile. One more. Oh, waki tayo guys, waki. 1, 2, waki. Okay, thank you po. Dalawa na lang kayo, sir. Brother mo. I see her. 3. Smile. One more. 1, 2, 3, smile. Waki guys,
Safeguard.
waki.
Safeguard.
Oh, sign ng safeguard. Okay, thank you guys. Okay na kami, madam.
Number 1.
Kasama natin yung I see her. 3. 2, smile. One more.
Tantan.
Alright, one more.
Sila nga namin, nakakapagod sila.
Sino po yung hindi alam mo?
Ilan table ng release?
Thank you po. Dalawa na lang kayo, sir. Yung brother mo. I see her. 3. Smile. One more. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Umiyak pa kayong dalawa
Okay, guys, working. Oh, sign ng safeguard.
Nakakabilis ang
Okay, thank you, guys.
waiter.
Video po to, ma'am. eh.
Video ba yan?
Diyan ka lang nakafocus. Para yung kuha. Huwag mo na yan, Huwag mo na i-zoom. Huwag mo na. Ha? Tapos ano? Entrance ni groom. Entrance ni... Audio mo. Kalimutan na. Kasi nag-audio. Kabit mo na rito.
Ako mag-audio?
Oo, sa'yo. Sa main ko.
Hello. Good afternoon. Please be reminded that this is a unplugged ceremony. The greatest gift we can give to the couple is to be present. So please, turn off all your phones and they're here today to celebrate the union of Maku and Faye. A special thanks to all of you that traveled from far and wide just to witness the promise these two are about to make to one another. We are here to offer our love and support and to stand with Maku and Faye as they begin this new chapter of their lives. Everyone, let us all welcome our bridal couple and their wedding entourage.
Lakad na lakad. Position ka na rin. Up yan. Wait lang ha. Stop ka lang dyan ha. Wait. Tingin lang diretso ha. Okay, ready? And then 1, 2, 3. Tingin diretso. Okay. Ma'am. Sige, sige, sige.
Say it's true. There's nothing like me and you. I'm not alone. Tell me you feel it too. And I would run away. I would run away. Yeah, yeah. I would run away. I would run away with you.
Please welcome Miss Faye Fernandez.
I've fallen in love with you. No, never. I'm never gonna stop falling in love with you. Close the door. Lay down upon the floor, and by candlelight, make love to me through the night. 'Cause I have run away. I have run away. Yeah, yeah. I have run away, run away. I have run away with you. 'Cause I've fallen in love with you. No, never. I'm never gonna
Faye,
stop falling in love.
sino nagbigay ng pahintulot upang ikaw ay makasal kay Jerel?